Hello everyone, my name is Sumana. Hope everybody is home and all of you all are safe. In today's video, I'm not going to talk about Corona because there's already a lot there in the news and it's very negative. So I'll be talking about something which happened during this lockdown period and which is very interesting is that the deal between Facebook and Reliance Jio. That's right, two giant companies and a massive deal, right? I am sure a lot of you all would have seen in the news about this deal. I'm just going to elaborate it a little and how it's actually benefiting the two companies. It's mostly like a win win situation for both of them, and how it is going to impact on India, the Indian economy, and the business growth, right? So, just to start off, I'll be briefing a little about what the deal is about. Okay, so this is a deal between Facebook, which is like the largest social media company in the world, a social media giant, and it has taken a 9.9% stake of Reliance Jio, right? Which is 9.9% stake is really huge, which is about 43,574 crores. If you talk about Reliance Jio is the telecom unit of this whole parent company of Reliance India Limited, right? And it obviously Reliance Jio is the biggest in the telecom sector in India. And after this deal, Reliance Jio is valued at rupees 4.62 lakh crore, right? So basically, why Reliance Jio did this deal with Facebook is because Reliance Jio wanted to reduce its debt, right? Because Jio, in if you see in the past few years, it just got launched in 2016, and then just in the matter in few, it's like what, 3.54 years, it expanded into so many cities, into rural areas, into so many other penetration was so much, right? And Mukesh Ambani, who's like the chairman and MD of Reliance Jio, he actually invested $40 billion when he actually started, or when he wanted to, or like when he launched Jio in the year 2016. He invested so much money, and that's like a huge investment. So there was a lot of debt which was involved in this whole business. So Reliance Jio mainly wanted to cut its debt, and that's one of the main reasons why this deal happened for them. And they are expecting that, Mukesh Ambani is expecting by March 2021 that there, because of this collaboration with Facebook and the plans they have, because of this collaboration, the businesses they want to venture into because of this collaboration, they would Geo would reduce its debt by, like, it would be zero by March 2021. So that's the prediction, and that's the deal about. So 9.9% stake in Geo for Facebook, right? Now, what is the benefit of this deal, right? Why would they do such a deal? It's going to be a win-win situation for both the companies, right? Facebook as well as for Reliance Jio. Now, obviously, RIL, from the beginning, even before this deal happened, they want to reduce their debt, okay, by selling their stakes, because obviously, they want to reduce it because they've already invested so much money. So they were in talks with Saudi Aramco that they would, sell 20% oil to the chemical businesses. They're also in talks with this Canadian equity firm called Brookfield Asset Management, that they would sell some of their stake on the telecom business to them, to the equity firm. So they want to reduce their debt at the earlier, so that's what they want. So that's a benefit or a win-win situation, for a winning situation for Geo. Now, talking about Facebook considers India to be a very critical market, because obviously India has like this humongous population, and in Facebook also, if you see, the most number of users of Facebook are from India itself. So obviously the base is a lot more if you penetrate into a market like India. And if you talk about WhatsApp, there are 340 million users, Indians, who use WhatsApp, right? And it's a lot. And then now, if there was also a testing phase which happened few months back on WhatsApp Pay, when some of us were also using WhatsApp Pay. So the pilot is was done to consider the feasibility option. And obviously, because of WhatsApp Pay, they can even, target competitors like Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, Google Pay. So they are like, they become a direct competitor to them. So it's a big thing, right? It's a big penetration for Facebook. And also, Facebook had a plan to launch this, it's called a free basic plan, right? Wherein they wanted to provide free internet services to people in India. But obviously, the telecom regulator of India, authority of India, TRAI, didn't let that happen in India. So now, if they partner with Geo, the kind of penetration they would want is achievable, because Geo definitely has a lot of penetration, like entirely in India. So Geo also what wants to increase its e-commerce business. Like, they want to like start off, if you would have seen at the news, GeoMart, right? So if GeoMart, they if they launch it via Facebook, right? Sorry, via WhatsApp, it's easier to connect to more people, right? So within a click of a button, you can actually seamlessly buy whatever you want, right, through WhatsApp, because everybody is using WhatsApp and everybody wants to shop online. So by this, they are also directly targeting their rivals like Amazon, Walmart, which is Walmart, Flipkart, etc. So this is the plan what they have. It's basically to conquer the maximum possible, right? This is the main idea why this whole collaboration of the deal happened. One more reason is Facebook wants people to move away from Chinese apps, right? So if you see, TikTok, it's a Chinese app, became very famous in India, like amongst Indian youth, everybody's using TikTok. So people, Facebook wants us to move away from those apps, and like, just concentrate on Facebook and WhatsApp and develop something which will garner more interest. So that's why the deal. And also, they want to directly fight against the other shopping rivals like Amazon, um, Flipkart, and also some tech companies like Google, some Chinese giants like Alibaba. They want to directly fight against them and actually be on top of the game, because they think that with this deal with Geo, that's the only way possible, wherein they can penetrate the maximum the easiest way possible, right? This is the largest FDI in India, right? In the and It's happened in the technology sector, and the largest foreign direct investment which has happened in India. And it's the largest minority stake which is holded by which a company holds, like, across the world, globally also. This is like one of the highest minority stake what a company holds. Not one other, it is the highest minority stake what Facebook's holding with Geo. So it's obviously a big deal for Geo and Facebook, both of them. And if you see Geo, Reliance Geo, they have 370 million subscribers. So imagine Facebook can also like get access to all of them. And imagine that they can even penetrate to not only the urban markets but also the rural markets as well, right? And these are new ways to also increase the digital economy, like with GeoMart coming in place. So GeoMart happening on WhatsApp. Okay, they get this platform gets WhatsApp, and you can actually use this to actually buy anything just over WhatsApp, right? So that's the whole plan. And It's also planning to help small businesses. Geo is also planning to help small businesses through this deal, via the help of Facebook, which is WhatsApp, right? And it's also promised that there are 60 million small businesses in India. It's going to like help them, giving an opportunity for them to actually help their businesses via GeoMart, right? And obviously, one more benefit is very direct. That's because obviously, because this post corona era is so bad, people losing jobs, economies might just get crashed. Because of all of this, it's very important to revive the economy, and such a deal is definitely very welcoming. It's like a boon for everybody out there. And yeah, it just helps everybody. Now if you talk about having a deal with Reliance Jio is also helpful, because obviously Reliance Jio has proved itself really well. Like, see, it got launched in 2016, and within a span of like 3.5 4 years, it's listed among the top 5 companies in India in terms of market capitalization, which is really big, like top 5 companies. And it caters like about 900 million internet users. Yeah, it provides internet at such cheap, there are such cheap plans, so everybody can use it. The penetration is more. So obviously Facebook is benefiting from that. It gets access to so many different people, right? So that's the those are all the pros or the benefits of this deal. Now, what could be the con of this deal? This con could be just like a commercial agreement, which is between two companies, a very commercial, wherein Reliance is just looking at reducing its debt, and Facebook is just looking at its penetration, and they're just concerned about their own needs and satisfying their own concerns or problems. So that could be one of it, which is purely a commercial deal and not really looking at the bigger picture, right? Second thing is, like, because of this expansion plans, Reliance Jio could have just done this purely because they want to expand through, GeoMart. They want to expand through getting this FDI, because this amount is like the largest FDI for India, which is not a joke. It's like a big amount. So definitely, since it's already expanded so much, it would just want this for its own expansion, right? And for Facebook, if you see with the Geo, there are about 388 million people whom Geo bought them online, right? Whom Geo provided internet, which they never had, on the click of a button. So for Facebook, obviously it's a big deal, because they're getting so many, just like that. Because of this deal, they get access to so many millions of people out there, right? They all become your customers, right? So if I have a deal with somebody who has like an access to like lakhs of customers, so if I do a deal with that person, so even I get access to everything. So it's humongous, right? The numbers are huge here. So by this, they want to what they actually want to do is they want to revive the economy back. And yeah, so it's sort of like a win-win situation for both, if you look at the bigger picture. But sometimes they might just do it for their own personal gains, which could be a possibility, right? So overall, what we could expect is this collaboration between Facebook and Geo is definitely going to boost the Indian economy. But at the same time, you have to be very careful and keep a watch on the deal, on how the business unfolds. Because if the profits are made, revenues can flow and profits are made, there could be a possibility that Facebook just sweeps away all the profit, and it could happen, right? That could be a possibility. So it's very important for the government of India, for try to sort of keep a watch on this, and take a look at it and make sure that everything is done in the right manner. And it's smooth, and obviously gets a boost the Indian economy in a larger way, right? So that's about the deal. If you have any doubts or questions, please post your comments. And If you like me to talk on a specific topic, I would like to talk about it. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe, and do not forget to like my video and share it. And please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.